lemon essential oil is cold pressed from the peel. So I know a lot of people ask, well, what's the difference between lemon juice versus lemon oil? And so it is because the juice comes from the pulp, the essential oil comes from the rind, okay? And they might even use sometimes the peels to use it. So it's a real nice zesty scent. I think I have one here. I like to smell them while I talk about them because it helps me to remember. Oh, I love it. It's so sweet. It almost smells like candy. And what this one does, this actually suppresses the weight gain. It helps to increase your energy. This lifts up your mood. It relieves pain. And lemon is just a wonderful oil. So there is fat dissolving properties in this oil because of the limonene chemical components. Now, most essential oils have hundreds and hundreds of essential chemical components or constituents in them. But they've done a lot of research and study between grapefruit and the lemon and have found that it's been used for a number of things they're using in medical research. It does enhance the mood, lifts you up. I like to diffuse them in my home. If you have a diffuser, now this is a cool mist nebulizer. So actually what I would do with this, I mean, it's electric, so I plug it in, has a little dial so you can, decide what speed you want to run it at. I use the oil right directly in it, and so I'll just add several drops into this and have it just dispersed throughout the home. It kills bacteria, viruses. Most of these oils are antibacterial, antiviral. And so this is something that you can have diffusing through your home, clean the air, helps to lift up everyone's mood, it eliminates all those negative feelings and things like that. And so what's beautiful about these particular oils that I've already mentioned here is that they help to release that stress and anxiety that you might be carrying, the neurotransmitter that's responsible for that fight or flight mechanism going on in your body. It helps to with the energy as far as helps to get more oxygen to the brain for better function, right? It also helps to lower your blood pressure and the blood flow. So this will help your muscles work faster and better when you're exercising. I've used it for aches and pains, for strained muscles. It just helps to have it with you. If you exercise or do workouts, you could take the lemon oil with you, maybe sprinkle a little bit on your towel that you use afterwards. But it's great for pain relief, and so that's something that I recommend.